Hey, hi, this is Manjuna Chandraya. Today we'll be learning what is the difference between if and the ifs function. So I have a small data with the student name, the score. So we need to get the results here. The condition is anything greater than 60 would be first class, anything greater than or equal to 50 is second class, greater than or equal to 35 would be pass, and less than 35 would be fail. So let's try to get this condition using a if function. Start with if, open bracket. So I'm going to select this cell. So you should go, when you're doing a if function, start with the greater number to the lower number. So I've taken the cell greater than or equal to 60 is the first condition, comma, it is first class. Any text you need to start with the double quote, first class. This is the true value. See, you can see here true value. So close the double quote, comma, and the false, if it doesn't match us, see here it's 85, then it will match. If you enter, so first class, right? So if you put it as 50, it shows as 0 because we are not defined the next step. So if you do double click again from here, this is the false. We need to, if it is false, what should be a condition? So I'm going to just remove this bracket. I'll going to copy this entire formula again till, if you want, you can copy till the comma, paste it again. You just change it to 50 here and to second class, right? And again, after the comma, just paste the formula again. The third condition is 35. So I'm just putting it 35 here. Type it as pass. Okay. So this is your true value. What should be ending value? If these three condition doesn't match, obviously it will be a fail. So I'm going to put it as just fail. Start with the double quote, end with the double quote, close the bracket. So if you hit enter, you'll get an error. So it is not closing it. Why? Because we started the if function 1 year, 2 and 3 if functions. So if 3 if function, we have started with the open bracket 1, 2 and 3. While ending the function, we are given only one bracket. So we need to add 3 brackets. So we started with 3 functions. So we are going to end with the 3 brackets here. Hit enter. So now you see, you got your result. So if you change it somewhere to 60, it would be still 59, second class. You put it at 31, fail, right? So now we are able to get this function, but only challenge is here you can see you need to add if function for every condition. For this one if function, this one, and so on. So how many condition you have? You should start with the if again. This is the if function. So let's go into the ifs function. So I have the same data, so same result we need to find it. So again we started with the ifs. Open bracket. Logical test is I'm going to test this number greater than or equal to 60. That is nothing but the first condition, comma. So if it is true, then it will be first class. So I'm starting with the double quote, ending with the double quote, okay, comma. So earlier what we did, we copied from the here, right? So this we'll copy from the B3 till the comma, okay. So again pasting it, just change it to 50, second class, same after comma, just add this again. Third condition is 35, would be pass, right? So when you ending the last criteria, so you have already given the 3 conditions. The last condition is fail. Prior to that, after the comma, just type it as true. True is nothing but to get the nearest value. So that's the reason we are giving this condition. And after that, just end with the last criteria. That is nothing but fail. Anything doesn't meet condition, the final would be failure. So close the bracket, hit enter. So now we see here I'm given only one bracket because we started with the ifs. So it's a multiple of all. So we don't need to give all each time if function. So started with one bracket function, I ended with the one. And here it looks so neat, right? You can add a number of thing here and end with true and the false in the end. So now you're able to get the result here. So see how the function looks here on the top. So very neat and easy to do it. I hope this function was helpful. Do let me know for any other function in future. I'll going to prepare the video on it. And thank you for your time. Happy learning.